Hey guys, we're gonna get right into it. Today, this is a 28 deep wave frontal wig from my brand. And this unit is so gorgeous. It's summer ready. It is perfect. So here I'm just showing you the frontal. It's a 13 by 6, 20% density. And I kind of over bleached, so excuse the bleach. But here I am pulling it and arranging it correctly, and now I am cutting the lace. It's easier for me to work in sections, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm using the bow hold glue lace bond, and I applied one coat because I don't want it in for too long. And I'm going to apply it, use my T3 blow dryer to dry clear, and then apply. This was such an easy blend. Let me tell you, this HD is everything. I really love this unit. And I'm not just saying it because it's my brand. But yeah, I truly love this unit. And I'm doing the other side. Cool. Now, when it comes to customization, I did bleach and pluck, even though the wig is pre-plucked. So you guys just know that. I only have a few in stock actually. I don't have too much units in stock. I'm just testing it out for my brand. See if it works. If you guys love it, I will continue and add more wigs to the site. But here you see me just doing another side and laying it down. So here I'm using the razor and just cutting the lace in a jagged motion. There was extra lace. This is a medium cap, and girl, I have a large head, so this will cover anyone with a large head, even though it's a medium cap. Okay, so there you go, just doing it by section and just taking your time doing it. Okay. So I'm going to use my Wonder Lace just to touch up the edges and make sure everything is secured. So I'm going in by section, making sure it cools, and then I'm going to use the back of my comb, the tail comb, and just flatten it and make sure that it really adheres to my wig. Yeah. So now I'm going in with the elastic band. I'm just going to keep this on my head for 10 minutes. For a little bit, I am going to use my blow dryer and on cool heat and dry it for a little bit. I just want to make sure that it's very secure, so that's what I'm doing. Now, just a reminder, guys, do your makeup after. Sometimes I feel like it's stuck, as usual. I should have learned from the last video, but yeah, so you guys see the edges right there. But now we're gonna go in and flatten. I'm using my Care wax stick, and then I'm gonna use my hot comb and just make sure it's flat. Now this really flattened easily for some curly hair. Like, you could definitely straighten this hair if you know it shouldn't mess up the curl pattern, but yeah, you could definitely straighten this unit. So here I'm still going in. I wanted to do like a side part. I always do a middle part, so I just wanted to switch it up and do a side part. So here I'm going to do a little swoop baby hairs. You know, I'm not the best with the baby hairs, but girl, I'm trying. But here we're going to go in. I'm using my little spoolie and just going in with the Gorilla Gel and swooping and taking my time. So now I'm going in with my powder. I normally use the Morphe filter powder shade 11, and I'm just going in and defining and filling in that part. I did over bleach, as you guys can see, but we're going to correct that when I use the Kiss mascara, the Root Touch Up mascara. So yeah, I'm just trying to conceal and powder and make sure everything is perfect. And then we're going to go right in with that Quick Cover Root Touch Up from Kiss. I got it at the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to define that part and cover up the little blonde areas that I over bleached. I kind of like this hair poofy. Like, I kind of like it big. It looks very nice. But I'm going to comb it out so you guys can see. And then I'm going to use water and also mousse to define the curls. So I'm using Cream of Nature mousse and just finger combing it and making sure it's fully saturated. Look how defined these curls are. Like, this is such a gorgeous unit. And it's 28 inches, 200 density. Look at the ends. Perfect. I really love this hair. Look at the back. Gorgeous. Really pretty. Yes, girls, these are summer curls, okay? This is summer ready hair. Look at the baby hairs. Look at the lace. It's really blended very nicely. Yes, I'm showing you. Yes, look at it. If you guys want it, you guys could just visit my site, primbeautyshop.com, and purchase. It's only a few I have in stock, so if you guys really like this unit, please support. And thank you guys for watching and taking time to support me. Thank you guys so much.